Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase trading. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Coinbase account, which is a straightforward process to ensure security. Next, link a payment method such as a bank account or debit card so you can easily fund your account. We'll then explore the basic interface, showing you where to find key features for buying, selling, and managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth trading experience. Once your account is ready, buying and selling crypto on Coinbase is simple. Head to the dedicated buy/sell section within the platform. Here, you can choose from a wide range of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. After selecting your desired asset, you'll specify the amount and confirm your transaction. Coinbase provides clear order types and confirmations, making the process transparent and easy to follow for both new and experienced traders. Effective portfolio management and security are vital for any trader. Coinbase allows you to easily monitor your cryptocurrency holdings and track their performance over time. To protect your assets, always enable two-factor authentication. It adds an extra layer of security to your account. Additionally, familiarize yourself with withdrawal limits and transaction fees, as these can impact your trading strategy and overall returns. Staying informed helps you trade smarter. For those looking to delve deeper, Coinbase offers advanced trading features, including Coinbase Pro, which provides more tools and lower fees for active traders. Take advantage of the platform's extensive educational resources to gain market insights and improve your trading knowledge. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Continuously learning and staying prepared will help you navigate the dynamic crypto market effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.